Hi DJ. I know it took me forever to finally make this video, but after tonight I just felt very overwhelmed with gratitude, and I also felt like it was time that I share my testimony with others who are out there that may be like me. I started out watching on YouTube on Ericka's channel, and I seen a lot of people, but it was something about the things that you were saying that really resonated with me. So I decided to purchase the Back to Basics, and I got the consultation with you, and just everything that you were speaking just really aligned with what I'm trying to do with my life. And so I got the All Star package, and then I got the executive membership, and that's where all the opportunities really started to open up. And I feel like I just have to say thank you for introducing me to a network of people, because that was the piece that I was missing. Your network is your net worth. And all the investment opportunities and all the things that we have to come for 2022. I just want to say thank you for telling me that it's possible, that within 3 to 5 years, I'll still be in my early 30s, but I'll be able to live the POM POM lifestyle, which is plenty of money and peace of mind. And I cannot wait. I am so excited to be on the beaches of the World Club with you and those of us who are serious about making this happen. So thank you so much, DJ, and I appreciate everything that you have done.